The 2026 Toyota Sienna is here, and honestly, it's still the only hybrid-only minivan you can buy in America. We're talking 36 miles per gallon combined, seating for 8, a built-in vacuum and fridge on top trims, and pricing that starts at just over 41 grand. If you're looking for a practical family hauler that doesn't destroy your wallet at the pump, this might be exactly what you need. So here's what's happening. The minivan segment is shrinking fast, with only the Honda Odyssey, Chrysler Pacifica, and Kia Carnival left to compete with the Sienna. But Toyota made a bold move back in 2021 by ditching the V6 entirely and going hybrid only across the entire lineup. For 2026, Toyota is keeping things mostly the same, but adding more standard features to the base LE trim, including power sliding doors, rear window shades, an upgraded 8-speaker audio system, and a windshield wiper de-icer. There's also a new heavy metal exterior paint color. The Sienna goes on sale in January 2026, and if you're shopping for a minivan, this one deserves serious consideration. Let's talk design. The Sienna has a clean, modern look with LED headlights and taillights, a sculpted hood, and a wide grille that gives it presence on the road. It's not trying to be aggressive or sporty, it's just a well-proportioned minivan that looks good in a Target parking lot. You get 17-inch alloy wheels on the base LE, with larger wheels available on higher trims. The Woodland Edition gets a rugged look with increased ground clearance, roof rails, and all-wheel drive as standard. The Platinum trim gets 20-inch two-tone wheels and bi-LED projector headlights for a more upscale appearance. Around back, you've got power sliding side doors and a power liftgate, both standard across the lineup. Honestly, it's a handsome minivan that doesn't scream soccer mom, even though it definitely is one. Step inside, and this is where the Sienna shows its value. The base LE comes with cloth upholstery, an 8-way power-adjustable driver's seat, tri-zone automatic climate control, and seating for 8 with a second-row bench and third-row bench. Up front, you get an 8-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a 7-inch digital instrument cluster, 7 USB ports spread across all 3 rows, wireless charging, and an 8-speaker audio system. The XLE trim bumps you up to a 12.3-inch touchscreen, heated front seats, and the choice between 8-passenger seating with a bench or 7-passenger seating with captain's chairs. The XSE adds a sportier look with unique styling and a 12-speaker JBL premium audio system. The Limited and Platinum trims are where luxury kicks in with Softex or leather upholstery, heated and ventilated front seats, a panoramic moonroof, and on the Platinum, heated second-row seats, a built-in refrigerator, and a vacuum cleaner. Yeah, Toyota literally built a vacuum into the back of this van for cleaning up Cheerios and Goldfish crackers. Storage is generous throughout with cup holders, bins, and clever cubbies everywhere. You can also get an available rear seat entertainment system with an 11.6-inch screen, wireless headphones, and HDMI input for keeping kids entertained on road trips. Honestly, for a minivan, the Sienna's interior is thoughtfully designed and genuinely comfortable. Here's where the Sienna sets itself apart. Every single 2026 Sienna uses Toyota's 2.5-liter 4-cylinder hybrid powertrain with a combined output of 245 horsepower. Front-wheel drive is standard on most trims, with all-wheel drive available for an extra $2,000. AWD is standard on the Woodland Edition and Platinum. The hybrid system uses a continuously variable automatic transmission and delivers an EPA estimated 36 miles per gallon city, 36 highway, and 36 combined with front-wheel drive. All-wheel drive drops that slightly to 34 city, 36 highway, and 35 combined. That makes the Sienna the most fuel-efficient minivan on the market by a significant margin. For context, the Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid gets around 30 miles per gallon combined in hybrid mode, while the Honda Odyssey and Kia Carnival both get mid-20s. 0 to 60 happens in about 7.5 seconds, which isn't fast, but it's competitive with the Pacifica Hybrid and quicker than you'd expect from a hybrid minivan. The Sienna can also tow up to 3,500 pounds, which is enough for a small camper or boat. You get 3 drive modes, normal, eco, and sport, plus an EV mode that lets you drive on electric power alone for short distances at low speeds. The ride is smooth and quiet, though some reviewers note the engine can get a bit noisy under hard acceleration. The suspension is tuned for comfort, not sportiness, so it soaks up bumps well and keeps the family comfortable on long trips. Safety tech is where Toyota really delivers. Every 2026 Sienna comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense 2.0, which includes forward collision warning with pedestrian detection, automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning with steering assist, lane keeping assist, automatic high beams, and road sign recognition. You also get blind spot monitoring and rear cross traffic alert as standard, which is rare in the segment. The XLE and higher trims add front and rear parking sensors, and the Platinum gets a surround view camera system. The Sienna also includes a rear seat reminder system that alerts you if there's movement in the second or third row after you've turned off and locked the car, which is a great safety feature for preventing kids or pets from being left behind. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration gave the Sienna a 5-star overall safety rating, with 5 stars in side crash tests and 4 stars in frontal crash and rollover tests. The Insurance Institute for Highway Safety named the 2025 Sienna a top safety pick, and the 2026 model should carry that forward. Now let's talk pricing and trims. The 2026 Sienna starts at $41,615 for the base LE with front-wheel drive, including the $1,495 destination charge. Add all-wheel drive for $43,615. The XLE starts at $46,315 with FWD and $48,315 with AWD. The sportier XSE is $48,175 FWD or $50,175 AWD. The rugged Woodland Edition is $51,825 and comes standard with AWD. The Limited is $54,210 FWD or $56,210 AWD. And the range-topping Platinum is $59,005 and comes standard with AWD. That pricing is competitive with the Honda Odyssey, which starts around $40,000, and undercuts the Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid, which starts around $52,000. The Kia Carnival is the value play, starting around $38,000, but it doesn't offer a hybrid powertrain. For what you're getting in terms of fuel economy, standard features, and Toyota's reputation for reliability, the Sienna offers solid value, especially in the XLE trim. So who's this van for? If you're a family that does a lot of driving, values fuel efficiency, wants proven Toyota reliability, and needs space for kids, gear, and road trips, the Sienna is a no-brainer. It's also great if you want the option of all-wheel drive, which the Honda Odyssey doesn't offer. Who should skip it? If you prioritize driving dynamics and want the most engaging minivan to drive, the Honda Odyssey is sharper and more fun behind the wheel. If you want plug-in hybrid capability with longer electric-only range, the Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid offers that. And if you're on a tight budget and don't care about hybrid efficiency, the Kia Carnival undercuts the Sienna on price. But here's my question for you. In 2026, with gas prices fluctuating and 3-row SUVs dominating the market, are you still team minivan, or have you moved on to crossovers? And if you are shopping for a minivan, does the Sienna's hybrid-only strategy make it the obvious choice, or do you miss having a traditional V6 option? Drop your thoughts below.